Namaste everyone. Today I'm gonna share with you Nepali cell roti. It's kind of tricky to make it, but once you know how to do it, it becomes very easy. Ingredients are very easy. I soak overnight 2 cup of rice. I use jasmine rice, and then if you don't want to use soak overnight and blend all that, you can always buy a rice flour also, but you still want to coffee grinder. You can grind a little bit of rice to make a texture like that kind of texture right here. Anyway, and then 2 cup of rice, a cup of water, 2 tablespoons of melted butter, and for the seasoning I use pinch of ground cinnamon and pinch of cardamom, and this is funugreek. We call methi in Nepal. About 10 seeds of funugreek. Use a coffee grinder to grind it, and then that will help your cell roti not to absorb hardly any oil, and also it's not like very soft. It's just perfect. Okay, so now we have the ingredients. And then once you have your soak over a rice, or get a rice flour and put all the ingredients, blend it in a blender really nicely. Blend it to the texture. It becomes like this. And don't get nervous, don't get worried. If the texture, like a little liquidy, then you can always add a little bit of rice flour. If it's not enough liquidy like this, then you can always add a little bit of more water. I use a cup of water. 2 cups of rice flour, a cup of water, and I'll be writing it anyway. And then this always, cell roti always comes out good if you have a kind of high heat, but I get scared because my, so I'm gonna turn on the fan here. Yeah. Then I'll share with you real soon here how I do it. This is a rice cooker. It comes with a rice cooker, but you can use any cup that you can squeeze like this. See? And for the frying, I use canola oil. I tried ghee last time. Ghee just, it was so soft, and later on it became so crunchy with the ghee. So I only use canola oil. And with the methi, your cell roti doesn't absorb a whole lot of oil. I already made that much. I started with that much oil, so you can see. I'm gonna make one more before I let you go. In Nepal, pretty much every festival, people either make rice pudding or cell roti, a lot of stuff with the rice flour, put it that way. So this is how it looks, and again, as long as you have a fan going on and you can control your heat. Sometimes I even go with the low. Right now I have medium. Earlier I had it high. So again, I didn't learn this overnight. I have spoiled many times. It takes a lot of time and energy to get it right. Once get it right, it's the easiest thing to do. I want to say that, but a lot of my friends always text me and say that, no, mine never came out like yours, things like that. I actually learned from a friend anyway. Okay, this is done. Now I'm gonna go over one more. Let's do one more. I may need a little more. I'm gonna make the heat a little high. See? You just make a circle just like that. And you just have to wait a few seconds. Then you can just kind of roll it around. That way it's a perfect round. My first one was so funny that it literally came a heart shape. My very first one literally came a heart shape. Wait. I'm not lying. Let me show it to you. Look at that. Isn't that a heart right here? Give like a heart. This is my very first one. Thank you for watching my video. Please like it, share, and subscribe.